Cabio Sileo, Kawo, Alado Kawo, Alado Kawo, Cabio Sileo, Mokie, Bugboy, Alagba. I salute all of you chiefs. Mokie, Mokie, from Ilu Bamana, the town of the Bamana people, right here, also known as New Orleans, Louisiana. Oruko Mini Baba, Marcus, Shango Doyin, Akin Lana. I send love and greetings from the bayou with the wishes that Shango will bolster all of the aspects that you chiefs out there with the Iyalode, the grand dame, Yèyé LUISA TEISH, New Orleans own. I call New Orleans Ilu Bamana. That means Bamana town. The town where the Bamana people came here and made the stamp, the cultural stamp. The Bamana people, also known as the Bambaras, but the real name is Bamana, came here and made the cultural stamp, which is the hometown of the great chief, Iyalode Yèyé LUISA TEISH. Yèyé TEISH, Mokie, 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 Mofori Baleo. I put my head on the floor for you, Yèyé. So I want to send some love, as requested, and share some Shango Ashe and Shango experience. Shango Beo, may Shango carry you all. Mokie, Iyalode, Iyalode Olòrìṣà Batala, Yèyé, Queen LEIA, ORIADE, ŠUNFERANMI, Lewis. And all you other great folks out there. Okay, so I'm going to start this off with a little bit of Oriki, Shango, Ka, or Kabio Sileo. And I want to call for Shango's Ashe. So, I want to call on the Ashe of Shango. Shango ni Baba Mio, Shango is my father. Ati Ọ SUN, ni Yèyé Mio. I want to call on the Ashe of Shango, Ọ SUN, Ati Eshu, in order that your event and all your events will be outstanding. So here we go with a little bit of Oriki for Shango. I'm going to start with Eshu to open the road for us. Ajuba Eshu, Ajuba Obain Leketu, Ajuba Ajie Mogan, Ajuba Atunwa Shebini Ajubi Shebidari, Iba Ashe Eshu Omalona, Iba Ashe Eshu Alagbona, Iba Ashe Eshu Abalanke, Iba Ashe Bobo Eshu, Iba Ashe Eshu Nibode, Iba Ashe Eshu Loja, Moki Bogbolo na Eshu. Eshu Tini Shehin Shohun, Eshu Tini Shehin Shohun, Eshu ni Alagba, Lagba Yeo. Ashe Beni Korea, Ashe Ariko Baba Wao, Ashe. Now Shango. Iba Ashe Alafino Yo Iti Olu Olufiren, Oba Koso, Oba Asangiri, Alagiri, Olagiri, Ka como Kunri Bo Shango, Ekuru Bakba Loda, Ile Bugbo Kuru Lojo, Ini Atia Bulahin Tosimo, Ini Atia Bulahin Tosibo, Ogun Labi, Ete Luka Rabia Jerry, Mabu, Masa, Masoro Relehin. So Eshu. We said Eshu, who is in the back and in the front. In the front and the back is tricky like that. He's in the front and in the back. Eshu ni Alagba, si Boboye. Eshu is the champion of the whole world. And there was Shango. We said Shango has ears like a colander. He can hear what his enemy says behind his back. Don't backbite him. Don't backstab him. Or else you'll find out. So I wish Eshu to open all of the roads for you great chiefs there. Iyalode Yèyé TEISH, open all our eyes. For me personally, starting with the writing of JAMBALAYA, which I believe was in the late 80s, that's when I got it. Somewhere around the late 80s, early 90s. It made me so proud to be from a long-standing family tradition here of New Orleans when she started sharing things that I learned from my grandmother, She helped to put us on the map, doing what we were already doing. I say, Ekuche Yèyé. So I want to salute you as an Alagba Yèyé. And I want to salute all of the folks there. I wish I could personally be there with you for these events. I don't know, the way things are going with the changes, these Obaluaye style changes with the current health situation. Maybe I will be there when this all comes to happen. But anyway, I send wishes of Ire-Dodo, abundant blessing, straight from Ojuba Shango, from the Shango Shrine, all the way there to your Ile. Now, Oshun. Morio Yèyé, Morio Yèyé, Morio Yèyé, Iyami Koye Sun, Oshun Obirinaro, Abebe Oro, Waniko LEIA, Waniko LEIA. Oshun, we see you, great mother, woman of tradition that carries a fan to cool us from the heat of life. Woman that's so beautiful she has no tribal markings on her face. In these difficult times, I would like to call that Oshun would cool us with her fan, cool off the atmosphere with her fan. We know that Oshun in combination with Obaluaye can help us enormously to live well and live healthy while we are here in this life. I'm going to close this out with some music in my salute to you great Iyas ati Alagbas. Obalube, Obalube, Obae. Obalube, Obalube, Obae. Obae. Alado kawo, And if you noticed, at the very beginning of this video, Shango came in person and dropped just a little bit of light rain. Ni ori me on my head. That is a direct sign from Shango. Ka wokabi usileo. May all your affairs go well. Yèyé TEISH. Odabo.